The experiential learning credit is one of the ways that Ashford University students can earn college level credit for experience they've gained outside the traditional classroom, and we refer to it here at Ashford as prior learning assessment. The Experiential Learning Credit Workshop is a great benefit for our students to take advantage of. We know here at Ashford University that students come into their degree program many times with work experience under their belt, and a lot of our courses in the programs align to that experience that they're bringing into their degree program. And students should be able to have that ability to take all of that experience that they've gained up until this point outside of the traditional classroom learning and turn it into college level learning credit. There's a lot of examples of ways that students can take their experiential learning and turn it into college credit, but for this specific example, it's when students have an experience in their workforce and can take that experience and write a college level essay towards the credit for that class. The Experiential Learning Credit Workshop is a self-paced experience that students go through. It's made up of 5 different modules. The first module is the student identifying the course they want to write to. So in that first module, the student would engage with a prior learning assessment team member to see if they have the experience to even write the essay. And then once they get through that first gate, the 4 remaining modules take the student through the writing and the composition of the essay towards the learning outcomes of the course. Once the essay is complete, the student then hands it over to a faculty member to evaluate, and then the faculty member grants the credit for the essay. So a specific example would be Business 303, for example. That's a human resource management course. Say you're a student and you're a working professional and you have HR experience 10, 15 years, and you're about to take this class and you look at it and you're like, man, I've been managing human resources for 10 years. I know this stuff. You can engage in the experiential essay process and write an essay towards that experience and get out of that course and receive 3 college credits for the essay. And the 3 benefits to the Experiential Learning Credit Workshop are 1, turning your life experience into college credit. The second is speed to degree, and the third is financial savings. We serve an adult learning student population, and this is in alignment with what they do, with our mission to service them and to get them to completion of their degree at a faster rate.